Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. The first indicator that you've got the update pending is this red dot next to the About Phone. If you've got one, then you can be sure that you can download the update. Moreover, before we'll start, make sure that you've got the internet connection. This is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi for downloading purposes. So now let's open About Phone, and all you have to do is to tap on this toggle REALME UI. Let's tap on it, and your device will check for the updates. And basically, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information, what has been fixed, what has been added. You can always tap on Learn More to of course learn more. And all you have to do after reading everything is to tap on Download Now, and of course your device will download and apply the update. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the information that you are up to date and there's nothing to download and nothing to worry about. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.